Elon Musk's net worth and wealth growth. Elon Musk is currently the richest person in the world, with an estimated net worth of about $470 billion in October 2025, according to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, and around $500 billion. According to Forbes, most of his wealth comes from his major ownership stakes in Tesla and SpaceX. Musk first appeared on the Forbes Billionaires List in 2012. By late 2020, roughly 75% of his total wealth was tied to Tesla's soaring stock value. Although he has called himself cash poor, Musk became the first person ever to surpass $300 billion in net worth in 2021, and the first to cross the $400 billion mark in December 2024. By October 2025, his fortune climbed again, reaching $500 billion. According to Forbes. In November 2025, Tesla shareholders approved a historic $1 trillion compensation plan for Musk.